It's all green. We're looking for one that's purple with green spots. Where in the world? How about this one? It's purple with green spots, and it's got pigeon toes. All right, we made a perfect pair.
Get your hand off my
Let's
TV.
try another one. This sock is gold color. Which sock makes our match? Hey, this one's gold, but you can't wear it on your foot. It's a musical instrument. A saxophone. Or should I say, a saxophone? This sock looks gold. Could it be? It is! We made a perfect
Ah, get away. Come from over there. Don't go on that side before you get down.
One more. Bernice is very stylish. Can you find a matching pink sock with ruffles? This one sure is pink. But we need one with ruffles. Could this be the same as the one on the line? Let's see. It's pink. It has ruffles.